Clearing your search history on Spotify can help maintain your privacy and declutter your experience. Follow these steps to easily remove your search history. Step 1. Open Spotify. Launch the Spotify app on your device or go to the Spotify website and log into your account. Step 2. Go to your library. Navigate to your library by clicking on the library icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can access your playlists, songs, and other saved content. Step 3. Access settings. Find the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. Click on it to open the settings menu where you can adjust various preferences. Step 4. Clear recent searches. Scroll down to the privacy section. Look for the option that mentions clearing recent searches or history. Click on it to remove your search history. Step 5. Confirm the action. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to clear your search history. Confirm the action to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Spotify, ensuring a more personalized and private listening experience.